All right, I'm gonna do a quick video on this come along. It's a 2-to-1 mechanical advantage because it has a moving pulley, so that gives you your 2-to-1. These have slip hooks on them. Actually, you know what? It's kind of a grab hook with a clasp on it. There's one there, same hook here, and then there's a larger one where I have it mounted up top. So there's a couple ways you can use this depending. I'll have this for lifting up heavy project or moving machines around, taking something apart. That's why I got it. I will not have it mounted to a plastic piece with wood screws into a joist. That's just to hang to show the video. So a couple different ways you can use it. You could put this on your anchor. You could take it as just a straight 1-to-1 and go out and hook it onto whatever you want if you're pulling something horizontally or if you're pulling something vertically. But if I was doing vertically, I would hook that on there, and then you attach this end of the pulley because that gives you your 2-to-1. So you're going to be using more line, twice as much line to go half the distance, but you'll be pulling more. You'll be able to pull more weight. It is cool that this swivels all the way around. It's not fixed, so you're not going to get twist when you're lifting or pulling. To freewheel it, there's a little pivoting piece up here. There's a little piece of wire that's actually would hold the spring tension. You pull that up, and then you can actually there's another. Sorry, you got to disengage that lever too. Let's see if I can go up. How did it go to my test run? Let me get out of here. There's two things you got to disengage if you want to freewheel it. One there, and this one here. There we go. Now it's a freewheel. And of course, one thing that I don't know if they all do this, it really gets uncoiled quick on this spool. Probably because I'm done too fast and there's some tension on it. So you got to watch that. And it's spring loaded too. All right, so there's all the way out. We'll let that go. Put that back on, and then you're back in your haul. Step on it. Okay. Use this full length up in there, so I'll hit my ceiling. One thing I don't know why it's doing is it's jumping out of the haul mode every once in a while. See, like that? I don't know why, because there's a lever here you push down that engages it, and then you can also push it on the back if you want to disengage the handle. Maybe if you go, I was going too fast maybe? There we go. Seems to do anything. So I just have tension on it with my foot, then it popped out again. First time I'm using this, I don't know if it's operator error or not, and I've got to say, 2,000 pounds, single line. When I have it doubled up, just 2-to-1, obviously it's 4,000 pounds, which is a lot. You could almost lift the car with that. Try and go slow too, so it doesn't drop out. This is actually it's a decent quality come along. It's not, I don't know if I'd say heavy duty because the metal's kind of thin, but I got this as as a homeowner use, so I think it'll be fine. It's made in the USA, so it's really well put together. Not crazy heavy duty, but for what it's rated at, I think it'll be fine. Seems to be wrapping up all right. Let's keep going. A little more tension on that. That doesn't seem to be jumping out, which is good. It was good earlier. So you see how that works. You can see there's the lever here, which you can operate from the back if you want to disengage the lever, and then if you wanted to go down under tension, I believe you could. You would then clip it in and disengage up here, and you could probably go down under tension, which I'm not going to do. There it is. I think it's pretty simple. It's straightforward. I have to do this review for the Seeds program. I would definitely buy it again if I didn't get it as a review. Easy to use. Let's see. So right here is, I don't know how well you can see on the video, is what you pull up on right there, and that's how you get into freewheel. And then there's your, it's basically this lever on the back side. So this one is on the front for when you're hauling or going down under tension, and there's one of these flipped around reverse, and that's how you get into freewheel. Pretty cool, you know, grip, but the handle's nice and long, gives you some good leverage. This does have some play in here where the hook mounts at the bottom, so it'll move around a little bit, which I think is good, better than being fixed. And then it also moves, there's a bracket that goes up in here, you can see right there, so that also moves around a little bit, so it's not rigid. All in all, it's a decent come along. It's made by Tuf Tug, and I would, like I said, I would use it again. Just make sure your anchor is number one, wherever if you're doing it vertically, make sure you're on a good anchor. I know in the fire department, anchors are, they call them bomb proof, so you want to be around something like, if you're outside and you're going horizontal, a tree, something concrete, or something that's not going to move, car wheel, something like that. In your basement, I would double up some joist or something, depending on how heavy of a thing you're trying to lift up. I wouldn't go too crazy. I'm not going to go lift up anything too crazy, even if I'm lag bolted into my joists. Same thing you can go if you're going horizontal. And remember, I think I said it before, if you're going to do double, when you double up the wire with the movable pulley, you double your load, but you're going to use twice as much cable to go half as far. If you were single and weight wasn't an issue, without the pulley, you would be able to go faster because you're using, you know, whatever this one full throw is, say it's 6 inches, you're going to get 6 inches of throw. In this position, you're going to get 3 inches of throw, but use 6 inches of line. So you're obviously not going to be able to pull as far when you're doing your double, when you're doing your mechanical advantage 2 to 1. Anyway, I don't want to go too crazy. This is pretty simple. I like the setup, and I'm sure I'll use it in the shop a lot. Get better. That right here is what I was talking about. You're engaging and disengaging there, and then the back, there's the back side of it. You want to disengage the handle, and then up top here, see right there, that's how you get into freewheel. Pretty simple. The directions I'm going to leave on here in case I forget, they're also simple. Best part of this, made in the USA. Alright, so I hope if you're looking to buy it, at least you can see what it looks like, you know, not in a just stationary picture. I would definitely use it, and remember, don't do something like this if you're lifting anything heavy. This was just for show. I would not try and lift anything off of that. Alright, have a good one all.